Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Meesho app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Meesho app and you can click. Then this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.